Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create any type of video with FlexClip AI. Now either you want to create subtitle, you want to create AI text to speech, or you want to translate some text, or you want to even record your voice, record your screen. Like, this particular tool offers you all that you need. All right, just before we go into the tutorial, okay, let me show you how much you can earn from this particular type of skill or this kind of videos. Okay, so if you come here to Fiverr, for example, I will create commercial promotional marketing explainer video ads for your business, and you can see this person is charging premium for £150 per project. All right, this is standard 95.95, and this one is $55. Now if you see it says snap 15 professional video, 15 seconds video, right? And he will give you 4K stocks. And you can see this guy, let's even assume that the only thing he's been getting is $55, right? And he has been able to make a lot of money. Now it's not everybody that buys your gig on Fiverr that drops review, as you can see, but this guy has like 607 reviews already. So if you say, let's even just use this smallest price, okay? So if you say 55 multiplied by 600, let's just say 55 times 607. All right, can you see that is $33,000? So you can make up to $33,000 from this skill that I'm going to show you today, right? From this particular one alone. And all you need to do is have this FlexClip tool that I'm going to show you. So let's get started. Say for example, these are the different things that you can do: text to speech, AI translation, AI translator, AI auto subtitle, AI video script, record voice, and so on and so forth. So this tool is quite very powerful. So let's get started. So let's say for example I want to create something that has to do with marketing. So I'll come here and search for marketing. So I'll just click on enter. So there are a lot of templates that you can use here. So let's say for example I love this template, I love the color field, and I think it makes sense. So I'll click on it, and you can see it has audio, it has smooth transition, and so on and so forth. And one amazing thing about FlexClip that I love is that you can actually change to this or to this. All right, but on this particular, I said this template is not originally designed for this ratio. So if you choose this ratio, element will be automatically updated but might be misplaced. So this is something that I wouldn't go for. So I'll probably just change this. Let's use another template. So you can see this one is adapted for other places. That means that I can, with one click, all right, with one click I can easily change this to any type of medium that I want. For example, you can make it YouTube, you can make it Instagram, TikTok, and all of that. So let's use this for example. All right, so let's click on customize template. So once you click on customize, it's going to open in another in another tab. All right, so here it says import media. So it means that you can actually import your own media. For example, I can let me just close this. Let's say you want to change this. All right, so you can easily upload your own media and change it to whichever one that you desire. But for this particular example, I'm just trying to show you how it works, so how the tool is, and so that is why I'm just going to leave it the way it is at the moment. So let's say I want to change this marketing strategy course. I can decide to change it to, let's say I want to say digital marketing course. So I can say digital. Can you see digital? So this it's in small letter, so I will change it to capital letter, digital strategy. So I can make this marketing, digital marketing course, instructor name. So I can say here, I could put Sola Mathew. Guys, I love to write in small letter and capital letter, so I'm used to it. Sola Mathew. But let's just make everything capital letter. Now you can change the font if you want, right? You can see a lot of fonts here that you can use. So if I click on that font, for example, it's changed it to whatever it is. And you can easily go back and undo it. So you see, it still makes sense. So I can come here, all right, and change it to, let's say, my own image. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So now let's play it and see how it will look or how it will sound as well. Click on play to preview. Guys, this is amazing. This looks like the Canva of video editing. You know, when you're using Canva, there are a lot of things you can do to design, but this is quite amazing. Now, let's say that you want to export this, so you can just click on export and it will export. You can change the title to say digital marketing course video. So, you know, let's assume that that's the title that you give to it. It's been updated. You can, you know, change it. And you can also come back here and, for example, you can, you know, reduce. Let's say you want to reduce the timeline. All right. So say use the fit to screen button to see all your clips. Got it. All right. So here, that's what they mean. For example, if you want to see all the time, you know, all the timeline. All right. So if you play it again, this is absolutely beautiful. In fact, you can even use this to make the end screens of your, you know, YouTube video, right? So where this is the end screen of your YouTube video or the introduction of your YouTube video if you're into, you know, YouTubing, right? So once you're done, just click on export and you can select the different ways by which you can export. You can select it in high quality. You know, they said the recommended quality. You can choose high quality as well, and you can choose to make it a GIF, a GIF, or you can just, you know, export the audio. So regarding this audio, there's something amazing that I also want to show you guys with this program. Okay, so but before that, let's just go on to see all the things that we can do. See, you can record yourself, you can record your voice, you can record your screen and just upload it here. These are subtitles, you know, AI subtitle. These are the different videos, you know, you can search for videos here. So if I say marketing, for example, type enter, right? These are the different videos relating to marketing, stock free images that you can use for your videos. And they also have images. You can even create an image with your prompt with AI. This is amazing, right? So these are audio as well, right? So we have music, we have SFX. Wow, guys, this is super amazing. Then they have elements that you can use in the video as well, you know, like YouTube, thumbnail, and so on and so forth, right? They also have effects. Guys, what is this? This is crazy, right? Then they also have other tools, right, that you can use with this. So, you know, initially I was saying that there's a tool that I really love when I was testing it. For example, this AI text to speech. If you click on it, right, you can also use it from here. Let me cancel this. You can from the home page. So if I go to home, this is AI text to speech, right? You can also use it from here, but let's try it here and see how it will look. So let's say that you go to ChatGPT. So you say ChatGPT should generate you. So I can say generate a short story to teach marketing for kids. Maximum of, I could say 200 words, right? So let's just use 200 words. So let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. All right, so maximum of 200 words. So now let's say that you want to be creating faceless videos on YouTube, all right? You can just do this. So I can click on once upon a time, I'll copy this. This is watch, guys. So I'll copy all of this, put it here, yeah, paste it here, right? Now what you want to do is you want to generate AI text to speech. All right, you can also select the type of speech you want, maybe the female or male. Let's look at the different speeches we have here.
Many think that the people
So
you
this is a
live.
voice.
The name Doddle.
That's another voice.
Sure. Here are some possible
Andrew, I love this Andrew. So let's use Andrew. Okay, general voice. Yeah, let's the speech. You can also choose the pitch and the speed. So let's make it this. So I have up to 4,000 characters. Wow, I'm just seeing this. You can use up to 4,000 characters, but let's just use this 1,230 characters. Click on generate. Guys, watch the magic happens. This, like, it took just few seconds to generate this. So I can play this.
Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Bisville, lived a clever fox named
Guys, this is making me so happy. Okay, let's play it again.
Felix loved making delicious lemonade.
Do you know that you can start creating a podcast from this? And this is amazing. And one thing is you can also download it. So I can download this once upon a time. So I can say marketing lessons for kids. So assuming that you have your script for your podcast script, and you don't want to read it yourself, you can just create it here, and boom, you're good to go. So that has been saved, all right, and I've exported it. I can also save to media if I want here, but I don't want to save it right now. That is super amazing, guys. Super amazing. So let's say that you want to, let's look at all the things that we can do. All right, where are the tools? Let's go to the tools. So let's see. AI video generator. Generate videos from your prompt, article, or URL or URL. So let's click on this. Now let's use AI text to video, then article, URL. This is amazing. So if you have a blog post, right? Maybe you have a blog and you also want to create a video blog, you can come here and do it. But let's use this one, okay? So let's say this same story that we have. All right. So what kind of style do you want to use? There are different styles. So let's just choose one, and translucent is, let's just choose this one and just click on generate. Now it's going to generate the video for us. Let's see the magic that this tool can perform. See, AI is changing lives. All right. AI is changing lives. And with this one, you can start making money online. You can offer this as a skill on Fiverr, right? You can be teaching people this and make money. You can use the tool as well. Okay. So there are a lot of things you can do. Okay. So once upon a time in the colorful town of B, blah, 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 and then it just created the whole story for us. Good marketing can make any business successful. So you can even add more screens, right? So let's say you want to add more example or more scenes here. You can add it or replace the media and like that. You can even time it as well. Okay. So let's delete this and let us just click on add to timeline and see what happens. So it says add after the existing things, replace all. So let's look at what is happening. Okay, so I will just click on replace all, right? Replace all, because I had already created one particular video previously, but instead I just say replace everything. All right, so let's play it from the beginning and see what happens right now. 100%, right? Boom. All right. So I was actually thinking that this is going to be reading out the text, but we can do something as well. Remember that we have the audio that we generated for this, right? Instead of the audio that we have here, we can actually replace the audio and bring in the audio that we created earlier. So that is something that I think we can do. All right. So let me see. Is it possible? Wow, it says speech. Subtitles speech. Let's see. Okay. Generate. Let's look. Let's see. So that means you don't necessarily need to do what I said we should do. So now let's see if it's going to okay, so it's downloading it as a, so I can download it right now. Let's see. Right, it's actually saying it for us. So this one, let's see if we can reduce the background music. So background music. So where is, wow, I think this is it. So background music volume. Let's see. Guys, this is amazing, okay? Amazing. So let's reduce it to about 6. Okay, let's play.
Felix's fantastic lemonade. Then best in
Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I can't believe this. This is amazing. Like, okay, let's see. Is it possible for us to be able to, make this louder? So let's make this louder. Okay. So let's play it again from the beginning and see what happens.
Once upon a time, in the colorful town of Bisville, lived a clever fox named Felix. Felix loved making delicious lemonade. One sunny day, he decided to sell his lemonade in the morning.
Wow.
First, Felix made a bright, cheerful sign saying,
Guys, what do you think about this? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, any type of video is possible with this. All right, guys, so this is where we are going to stop. But let me quickly show you how you can get FlexClip. All right, so click on the link in the description of this video. All right, and then you'll see the different pricing of FlexClip. Let me show you quickly. So you come here and then you see the pricing. It's quite, you can start with a free one. So you have one stock video per project, one stock audio per project. These are the free quota. All right. And then this is another pricing. This is just 9.99 per month, right? That is if you are being billed annually. But if you want to be paying monthly, this is £19.99. I prefer, the annual one, so that you just pay once, all right? So $119. This is like superb compared to what you can do with the tool. You can start offering it on Fiverr, all right? And this one also, it's the business one, right? This is billed at $200. This is ridiculous pricing. Actually, this is the one I currently use. So guys, I'm partnering with this, I'm partnering with FlexClip, and I can tell you that this is one of the amazing tools that you can ever have. All right, and with this you can make a lot of money online. And what do you think about this? Drop it in the comment section and let me know what you think. Okay, by the way, please subscribe to this channel and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. Okay.